So anybody want to know if the camper truck would flex? Yes, it does. On 40s and 1 tons. Flex is pretty good, I think. Little mistake on my part. I got to redo this, even though it tucks in there. I'm putting spacers on the back, so it gets really close to the boxes. We did good there. Heck yeah. Tires almost off the ground on the passenger side. So that's going to be awesome. Onyx Off-Road Build Challenge. I hope I get picked for it, man, because I'm going to show y'all. This is the ultimate overland Rocklander camper truck. Flex is good. It's got a strong motor, strong transmission, strong transfer case. Just got a little more work to do. Okay. Yep. Look at there. I'm gonna have to redo that. It tucks up in there.
Yeah, that's probably